In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Microsoft Excel effortlessly in just 5 minutes. This simple integration will allow you to seamlessly transfer your Typeform responses directly into Excel, making data management and analysis much more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Typeform website. You'll need to navigate to www.typeform.com. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Now, it's time to enter your credentials. You have a couple of options here. You can either log in using your email address and password, or if you've set up your account using Google, Microsoft, or other authentication services, feel free to use those. Whichever method you choose, make sure your details are entered correctly. After you've input your login information, click the login button to proceed. After logging in successfully, you'll want to open a form within Typeform. This is where the connection magic begins. Head to the Connect panel within your form. It may take a moment to locate, but it's typically easy to find. Once you're in the Connect panel, you'll see a series of options. Your task is to locate Excel. When you've spotted it, there should be a Connect option right next to Excel. Click on that to move forward. With Excel selected, the next step is authentication. This part is crucial as you need to connect your Typeform account and your Microsoft account. Start by clicking Authenticate to link your Typeform account. Once you've completed that, you'll need to click Authenticate again, this time to connect your Microsoft account. This dual authentication process is straightforward, but pay close attention to any prompts to ensure everything is set up correctly. After both accounts are authenticated, you'll need to name your workbook. Choose a name that's descriptive and easily identifiable to ensure you can find your data without any hassle later on. Once you're happy with your chosen name, it's time for the final step. Simply click Save, and with that you've successfully connected Typeform to Microsoft Excel. Your forms are now set to automatically funnel the data straight into your designated Excel workbook, streamlining your data collection and analysis processes. And there you have it, a quick and easy integration that can significantly improve your workflow. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.